try to not hold on.
Oh God.
Okay. Alright, I'm still on. I never fell.
You're gonna fall. Okay, wait, no, stand up.
Okay, turn around. Turn around. No, I hate when people do that. I try to do a push-up.
Okay, no, I can't.
I'm on. We did it! Ah!
Grab my feet. Nice hole in your face. Okay, wait. That works better.
Okay, one more time. How about you grab my feet first? Wait, you got them?
Yeah.
No, what do you just do? Lift them up? Have fun.
Okay, wait, no, it's...
Your legs won't stay. They're not going to be able to support me.
No, I will. Just... Okay. Just wait. Okay.
I'm going to jump, alright?
Okay, wait. Ow, my hair. Okay.
Keep your legs straight. You're not the one getting hurt.
That's
One
exactly
more
the
fucking
point.
time, alright?
Then I'll laugh at people.
Oh my god! It's so scary.
Yeah, put the one in.
Ow! Okay, ready? Oh my god, so not safe.
Obviously.
It's at 4. Ready? Oh my
It's
god.
at 40.
4.0 maybe?
Oh my god.
Shit, man, you have to be more careful.
I just jumped.
Don't put that incline on. Okay, well. No! Oh my god! Brian!
What are you trying to do?
It won't stay! Alright. Click it anytime. That's enough!
It's at 18.
So much fun.
Excuse you.
I didn't. It's 1.8, not 18.
Whatever.
No, come back up.
Do it
Come back.
I found a
Stay.
plastic cup. I found like a pink plastic cup. Do it after you left.
No, help! I'm gonna kill this thing. No! Come here! Fuck you.
I don't think you'll be able to finish one.
Probably. I'm running. I'm looking for a dog.
You want pop?
I want yogurt, that's what I want.
You want yogurt? You're downstairs. Kennedy's doing like a little doing a workout.
Well, trying. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, there you go.
Faster.
Ow!
Did one get you?
Yeah!
Killed him with the last one. Remix. DB, Diaz Brothers, Slow Rider.